An urban area, or a built-up area, is a human settlement with a high population density and infrastructure making up most of its built environment. Urban ecosystems, like all ecosystems, are composed of biological components. These include plants, animals, and other forms of life, as well as physical components. These include soil, water, air, climate, and topography. In all ecosystems, these components interact with one another within a specified area. And in case of urban ecosystems, however, humans are part of these components. Both their biological components and how individual humans themselves interact with the environment, as well as the physical components and how the structures that humans put in place affect the ecosystem as a whole. Despite human domination, wildlife is present and in abundance in these urban environments. However, wildlife is strongly limited to small mammals, birds, and insects. In most urban ecosystems, humans do not directly consume the wildlife that they share an inhabitant with. As a result, the flow of energy is as follows: birds of prey being the apex, followed by reptiles with small to medium mammals below them, with small birds being under them, followed by insects, and lastly, plants, with decomposers being their own subcategory. A brief summary of the topic of nutrient cycles in cities is that humans produce a large amount of pollution that in turn negatively and positively affect the nutrient cycles in urban ecosystems. To go over the nutrient cycles as a whole is something that can take up its whole video, so please feel free to pause and observe the graphs presented here.